Hey, and what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to share with you a few tips and tricks on how to make your Galaxy S10 Plus stand out, and really just to give you some of the features that you will not find on the internet or any other guide out here. So let's get started. The first feature is called Hideyholes. Now this app, basically what it gives you is a lot of Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus and S10e2 wallpapers that are very much made for this phone. So all you have to do is go into the App Store and type in Hideyhole. It's basically an app. It was just made available. This app has hundreds of Galaxy S10, S10e, and S10 Plus wallpapers that are specifically made. Now how to navigate it is pretty easy. Just hit the three buttons here for more, and then you can go for device and you can select which device you have, the S10, S10e, or S10 Plus. I have the S10 Plus, as you can see here, and all you have to do is just select one, as you can see, and they are very much high quality. They're not images like 720 or full HD. They are very much extremely high quality, and then you can have the brightness, as you can see, the saturation if you want more. You can have more color, and then you just hit save, and then you select both, then it just applies itself automatically. They are fantastic. I mean, there are some pretty nice ones that will hide them, especially if you don't use a screen protector like I am, because you can see it. If you're just using the glass naked, I mean the effect is just impressive. As you can see here, this is the one that I'm using now. If you like it, it's almost like a Tokyo-ish vibe, and it's pretty nice. It's called Tokyo Night / wallpaper. It's a fantastic wallpaper. You should try it out. Now the next feature is called custom audio levels. Now for most people, you might not have the same hearing level that you do when you were 20 than when you are 30 or 40. So basically what this allows you to do is to have a custom audio profile for your own ears. So all you have to do to find it is go into the settings, go into sound and vibration, then advanced sound. Now when you come down here, you will find sound quality and effects. Once you go inside, you will find a bunch of other options. It's called adapt sound. Find the best sound for you. You go in and basically you allow it, because it will adapt it even for phone calls. So basically what you do, there is the default under 30-year-old, 30 to 60, or over 60, or you can add your own personalized sound profile. So all you have to do is plug in your headphones into your 3.5mm headphone jack. Once you're done, you click on add, then you go into start, and it will start to play sounds in both your right and left ear, and it will every time ask you, did you hear it or you didn't? Every time you will hit yes or no, and it will start to make a custom profile based on your hearing preferences. And with that, you will be able to hear noises you were not able to hear before, because it will start to amplify them, or if you're hearing them too much, it will actually make them lower. So you should check it out. It's a fantastic feature. The next feature is called AlwaysOn Display. Now this is not a new feature. It started since the S7 and S7 Edge, but when they started on those phones, it was very basic. I mean, the only thing you could do is see the clock. Then they updated it to actually include all notifications, but now it's extremely customizable, far better than those days. I mean, it's probably even better than the S9. So all you have to do, again, go into the settings, lock screen. Here you will find the AlwaysOn Display. Now once you go in, as you can find here, there are a bunch of options that you can do. One of the best things about it that are basically brand new is that there are a display mode. You go in, you will find a tap to show, which means, like I'm setting up right now, when you close the screen, when you lock the phone, if you hit it once, it will come out, as you can see here. If you double click, okay, we will go inside. There is show always, if you want it to always be shown, like it was on the S7 Edge, basically on and off, or show as scheduled. Basically, it will turn on when the phone basically is during the day, and you can turn it off during the night, as you can see here, 7 to 12 a.m. and you can choose if you want it to basically turn off throughout the day. There is also the screen orientation, landscape or portrait, and there is show music information if you have a player playing in the background. Then there is the auto brightness, which is one of the things that is basically new, because back then it had only two settings. Either it's too bright or it's too low, and it was almost always on the too bright setting. But now you can actually adjust it. But what's beautiful about this one that I'm going to show you, you can put it on auto brightness. You close the phone. Once you open the phone, what you can do is double tap on the clock, and as you can see, they appear here. If you hit this orientation button, if you hit it, it will go automatically into the landscape mode. Again, we'll put it like this. But what's beautiful is that you can actually set the brightness right from here. Just hit it once, hit this little sun, and as you can see, you can make your adjustments right on the screen. And you can actually make it automatic. If you hit it once, it goes in. If you hit the sun again, it becomes an A, and it's automatic. So this is actually a very nice feature that Samsung basically refined far more, which is really impressive. So you should check it out. It also shows any other stuff that you have, a music player or anything else. The next feature that I'm going to show you now is again related to sound, which basically gives you a brand new, it's like it really makes the speakers on the S10 and S10 Plus pop out, which is called Dolby Atmos. So all you have to do is go into the settings again, go into the sound and vibration, advanced sound settings, sound quality and effects, and here, as you can see, there is the Dolby Atmos. Now once you go in, there are a bunch of settings. All you have to do is turn it on. As you can see, it's called Dolby Atmos. All you have to do is go inside and turn it on. You can leave it on auto, or you can choose movie, music, and voice. If you want to test it out, just go into YouTube, watch a video with it turned off, and then turn on. The difference is night and day. It's actually incredible. So you should really genuinely try it out. The next feature that I'm going to show you now is related to this recent screen that, as you can see here. Once you swipe or you hit the Recents app button, as you can see, there are these these four icons. Now, you might not like them. You might want this to actually take the entire screen, or you just don't like how they look. You can actually remove these if you want to. All you have to do is hit the three buttons here, go into settings, and as you can find here, suggested apps. Just turn it off, go back. As you can see, they are gone and you're good to go. The next one that I'm going to show you is related to the lock screen, because usually you find that there are a couple of apps, one here and one here. If you want to remove them or change them, all you have to do is again go into the settings, into lock screen, and you find here app shortcuts. Go into the app shortcuts, and as you can find here, there are two layouts. There is touch and hold if you want one, or the touch and hold or buttons in the corner. I actually like the bottom corners, and now all you can do is select which one you want. For example, here, select it and you can go. For example, I like them off because I don't like to see anything on my lock screen, and as you can see, it looks extremely clean. The next feature that I'm going to show you is the compression of the pictures taken by the camera app. Now, Samsung has developed its own compression. It's almost like an algorithm that can actually compress the photos without losing any quality, but they are not shareable. So all you have to do is go into the camera app, go into the settings, and then you find save options. You go in and you find each EIF pictures. It's only for photo, as you can see here, and then you have the capability to save pictures as high efficiency images to space. But once you want to share them, the phone will automatically convert them to normal JPEGs before actually sending them. So it's a really important feature. It's actually also available for the video part. Just scroll down to video and you can find it in advanced recording options, high efficiency video. But again, it's not every phone or every device is capable of reading this format. So just make sure you know that you're sharing it on a compatible phone. Now, this has been my best tips and tricks that I know of on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with this phone. The only thing that's bothering me about it is the bug of the deep sleep, but I hope that Samsung will release an update soon enough that will actually fix it. So again, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, like, and turn on notifications to receive every new video, and see you in the next one. Peace.